Okay, so we got a call from one of our clients. They've recently just built a new build home here behind us. They had gas in the properties, but they'd recently put on solar. And so they rang us and asked, what about putting in a heat pump as well to utilise some of that renewable electricity? So whenever we came out, we had a look at the system. The gas boiler was heating the house okay, but we felt that because it was so well insulated, a heat pump might be the way to go. So the client didn't want to just get rid of the gas boiler, obviously because it's brand new. And as well, with heat pumps being a relatively new technology, he just wasn't 100% sold. So we left this boiler in position and decided we'll put the heat pump in and run it in tandem with the gas boiler. Now, since we've fitted it, he actually hasn't ran the boiler because the heat pump's been performing so well. So, quite technical how we actually fitted the heat pump. All we've done is put the heat pump outside, show you that after, and we've ran two pipes from the heat pump across the roof space and brought them down here and into the low loss header. And basically, the low loss header then feeds the entire system. It's got multiple pumps here feeding central heating and also a mega flow cylinder. So we've found at the minute that the heat pump's heating the cylinder to about 40 degrees, and then he has solar on the roof, which then brings it up from 40 to 60 degrees, and it's performing really well. We can't see the boiler really being needed. Okay, so this is the outdoor unit. This is drawing heat from the air outside, pushing it into the low loss header, which then feeds the heating system inside. The heating system inside is underfloor heating, so that's ideal to work with this heat pump because it performs best at low temperatures.